Hey, we made it. We're here in Tennessee at Thomas Beach Shop. Got some cool old cars here. There's probably 100 or so here. We're going to walk around and show you our favorites. Joe's going to show you her favorite. She's the expert. So actually, this is my favorite. So if you'll sell it, I'm going to bring it home with me. We're going to trade Mable for it. Joe's found her a gasser. It is cool, isn't it?
Mm-hmm, it is.
Very cool. Here's what I like.
It's nice. Really nice, too.
That's a slick paint job, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Just like Mercury grills.
Yep.
Fancy, fancy.
Good looking old Chevrolet here.
Yeah, I like that
It's just
too.
they just painted over the rust on it. Another GTO. Several GTOs here today.
I wonder if that's the original color, that green.
I don't know, maybe. Might pull it out and shoot you. Oh, is she always? It is pretty. She loves trucks. I like cars. She loves the trucks.
There was a guy that's trying to help me. He's trying to sell a 57 one of this exact truck.
I think that's one of my favorites here.
Which one? This one? This is one of Joe's favorites here. This is Robert's mom and dad's vehicle. 1961 Corvair ramp side. I guess the engine's in the back. It sure is. That's slick.
I've never had a donut, so. Never had one.
Very nice.
I don't know. Apparently I really like cookies or something.
Check out this belt. Pulleys circled around there to the alternator and whatever else it's hooked to. Very nice. That's beautiful.
This is nice. I like the black
Roadrunner. This is Robert's.
And then the one on the end I really like. Yeah, that's pretty nice.
See the wheels? Is it working or not? Yeah, it's working. See the wheels?
Love them. Those have got those nice brakes on them.
Automatic?
The Willwood?
Yeah.
Those are nice brakes. That's pretty. I could take this one.
440. Robert will sell it to you, I bet. Very sweet. Very nice. And you got is that a Dart Demon? What is that?
Swinger, dark swinger it says.
Swinger?
It's pretty.
Very nice.
And this was ours.
He put a different engine in it. No, he just put the valve covers on. This is 64 Plymouth Sport Fury that I used to own, that I traded for a 1966 Hemi engine. And Robert has put a new interior in it, leather interior, and left its old working clothes on. I love this car.
Yeah, that's always caught my eye. That's 64, isn't it?
Yeah, I used to own this one.
Oh, okay.
And I've got another one just, well, not just like it, but that's been a frame off restore on.
Oh, okay.
Nice car. Yep, that's Old Blue. Old Blue. Look at the interior. He's really done a nice job with the interior. Very nice.
Yeah, that's yeah.
This is the same engine.
Yeah, just with different.
Yeah, same engine. Very nice. Little Nova 2 SS. I've always liked these cars. Small block. You can tell that everything under this thing, chassis and everything, is brand spanking new. Leather interior, 4-speed. Very nice. Nice paint job too. Nova. Corvette. Never go wrong with a Corvette. I don't know what year it is. Stingray. Nice little Mustang. That, I'd say it's 78. I'm guessing. I don't know. Nice little Mustang. You like those wheels?
Yeah, I like those wheels. Those are Ford wheels.
All right,
No, they're not.
I'll be taking any questions that you may have.
Okay. She said, is it for sale?
No.
He did say any questions. I heard him.
As long as it's not geography, I'm no good at
Very nice. Beautiful. What year is this?
65.
65.
It was born in the Ford assembly plant in Metuchen, New Jersey.
And was it a factory vinyl top?
Yes.
How about that? I don't know that I've ever seen a Mustang with a vinyl top. How about that?
Another one in our neighborhood.
How about that? Of course, I guess I've never looked that close.
Stuff like this.
Yeah,
So she
that's
set that up.
cute.
Very nice.
And this AM radio works. I fixed it. You just can't pick up any AM stations.
I know. Yeah, I got it all over me.
See, it pays off. I don't know. Get your own.
Very nice.
Yeah. When the sun gets here, it's time
Manual transmission.
Those are
American
Mallets.
Racing.
Those are the torque thrust D's or something. Those are like the ones in our car.
Very nice. Those spring steel bumpers there. Nice car. 1936. So 36 what? Beautiful car. Beautiful color.
Wouldn't have to do much for the bumper with the seat on it.
They used to be them cars during them gas.
Hey, how are you?
All right, you.
Is this one yours?
Yeah.
I thought it may be since you're color coordinated with it. Beautiful car.
That way they can't shoot it. If they see all that blue, they don't want to shoot.
Yeah, that's right. That's orange. Creamsicle. Pretty. 55 Chevrolet Bel Air. Nice. Custom interior. 350 V8. Nice. Here we have a Malibu. I've always liked the Malibu. It's pretty, isn't it? Black. Nice wheels. Automatic in the console. Cool. Looks nice under the hood too. Chevelle. 72, maybe?
Boys. Oh, those are boys.
Boyd Coddington
Yeah.
wheels, custom wheels. There's Mable. Let's get another shot of her. She's gorgeous. She's gorgeous. We need to wipe the
What's
dust
my
off of her.
favorite? Ours is a favorite.
Your favorites is a Road Runner. That's what you told
Yeah,
me.
the favorite, but
All
ours,
right.
besides ours, probably the Road Runner.
Okay.
Then the atomic truck, then the blue truck, and
You catching me at work?
yeah, I'm catching you shining it up.
Wiping it down. Dirty, dusty.
Probably got bugs on
Those
it.
cars get dusty sitting in the shop.
Yeah, they do.
Cool, man. I like it.
This is Robert, owner of Atomic Speed Shop, best speed shop in the southeast.
I'll take that.
Okay?
Yeah.
Or southeast and Midwest. How about that?
And
Drive.
Keisha, who keeps it all running.
This is Keisha over here. She's the office manager, and she's the one that balances the books for Robert. Joe's the one that balances the books for me, right?
It's awesome.
So,
They do better than we would do.
I guess so.
Yeah.
Yep. So, anyways, we appreciate you guys a lot.
Glad you
Yeah.
you got the award for coming the furthest.
Yay!
Okay, we had a good day at Atomic Speed Shop here Saturday morning. They had a bunch of cars. Nice Road Runner sitting there, Joe. Did you get a picture of that? And
I don't remember.
we are headed to Asheville now,
There's the power wagon.
Biltmore State. And we're going to spend the night, get up tomorrow, have lunch with friends, take it easy. Right?
Right.
Right. Okay, we just left. Where did we just leave? Sevierville,
Yeah. Gatlinburg.
Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Headed back to Asheville. We had lunch at Cracker Barrel. I had 3 helpings of greens and a piece of whitefish. But I love Cracker Barrel. Anyways, I want y'all to look at this. Look at those clouds. As much as I enjoy driving Mable, I wish I was flying today. It's a beautiful day for flying. How's the gauges doing, Joe?